Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to add first name in Flodesk. We have the link to Flodesk in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So right here on Flodesk, you're just going to make sure you're on emails because we want to use emails to demonstrate this. And right here, we're going to click on the new email button. Now there are options here, but we're going to go over to the welcome option so we can see some welcome templates. And then we're going to scroll through and make our choice. So of course, you're going to scroll through to select your choice. And we like this option right here. You can see M, which is probably a brand name, and welcome, then friend. So we're going to click on it. What we want to do is to make sure that the template you're using is mobile compatible. You can see this is the desktop version, and if you click on this button, which looks like a mobile phone, you can see how it looks like. This means that it is a responsive template. So we're going to go ahead and click and customize it. Great, so right here we have our template, and you can see here add your logo, welcome friend, and you can see some more details. So you want to add these, put some more information here, and all of that. So right here, you can see that it has hi and you can see the first name and friend. Now, depending on what you choose, if you don't have this, you can simply delete this. And then of course, while you have hi, you can say @ and then choose first name. And then it says if first name is unavailable, display friend, right? Click insert and there we have it. Now, of course, this template had it, but if you don't have it, this is exactly what you need to do. So depending on the email list you'll be choosing, it will automatically choose the first name if they are in your contact list. But if it is unavailable, it's going to say friend. So of course you'd be using an email list naturally, and it's going to choose the first name from your email list for each contact that it will be sending to. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to add first name in Flodesk when sending emails. Don't forget to check out the link to Flodesk in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.